Hello amazing people, you are welcome back to the channel Judith Effect. My name is Judith. I hope you find out time to watch my other videos, and if you find them, this is your girl here bringing you all the bringing you all the tips on different skincare and stuff you can use on your skin to get it glowing, moisturized, hydrated, brightened, whitened, smooth, clear, clean. Mention it. So I'll be talking about creams you can use for your face, brighten up your face naturally. Make sure to watch this video until the end. So I'll be bringing to you top good facial creams you can use this Christmas period. Of course, there's so many of them in the market. Again, this is the one that I have used, and they also have good reviews as well. This is what you like. Let us go into the video. So the number one cream I'll be talking about is Nivea cream. This one here, this one is the one I'm talking about. It is in a blue container and it's written Nivea cream, CREME. This creams I'm talking about today are creams that will naturally brighten you. It gives you this natural brightening glow. So this Nivea cream here, when you buy the cream, it's just written Nivea cream. It doesn't write anything whether it brightens your skin or not. But my darling, use it frequently, like consistently for 2 weeks, morning and night on your face. It is basically a face cream, because when I used it, I tried using it on my body, but I noticed it didn't really absorb on my skin body, because you know the skin on your body is a bit slightly tougher than the one on your face. We all know this, that the facial skin is a lot more tender than the skin on the body, right? So I noticed it didn't really absorb well on my skin, but when I used it on my face was looking supple.
So guys, I had to do a voice note here because I didn't know my microphone went off while I was making this video, so I could not just refilm this video, so I have to just do a voiceover. So simply what I'm saying in this video is just telling you about how good the Nivea cream is. It's actually very good on your skin, especially your facial skin. It helps to soften it. It helps to moisturize it. It also helps to brighten your face naturally and really nicely. But this face cream is a face cream you have to use consistently for 2 weeks. You start seeing the results. Some of the ingredients contained in Nivea is glycerin, aqua, kojic. So make sure you use this cream consistently and you would really love your skin. Please do well to also scrub your skin once in a while, your facial skin in particular. Just make sure you scrub it once or twice in a week, depending on the location of where you live. Like over here is winter, so I tend to scrub my face like once in 2 weeks. Like I really don't need to scrub my face every week or twice in a week, because there's no need for that. It's really dry and cold here, so I scrub once in 2 weeks or even once in 3 weeks, yeah, because I cleanse with my facial cleanser and I tone my face as well. So that is pretty much it. If you're gonna be using this Nivea cream, make sure to scrub your face. If you're using it for the first time, believe me, sweethearts, you will love it. Like, the feeling is nice. And the second review is this brightening vitamin C face cream. I've made a review on this face cream before, and it's a face cream I'm still using as well, because this face cream really helped me to clear out my black spot. It helps me to smoothen my face because it's vitamin C. Obviously, you know, I don't want to go over this vitamin C thing here, because we know vitamin C gently brightens your skin naturally. So and again, excess use of vitamin C is kind of not so good, because it depends on your skin type. It can also dry out your skin. So what I do is, because I have a serum that is vitamin C and I have this face cream that is vitamin C, I alternate this vitamin C face cream with my moisturizing face cream. This is because I do not want my skin to be so drying, because this is winter, and winter needs you to use more hydrating and moisturizing face cream. So that is why I did not I don't use this one every day. I alternate it with my moisturizing cream. I use more of my facial moisturizing cream. I use this one like 2-3 times in a week, because I also have a vitamin C serum. So I noticed that there's this a bit dryness I feel when I use them every day. So I'll rather use my serum like every day. And since it's cleared my black spots, this particular brightening vitamin C helped to clear my black spots. In using it with the serum, it actually helps clear my dark spots. So I don't need to use them every day, because vitamin C is quite potent, and these ones have good potency, like good potency of vitamin C. So I don't need to use them every day. I use more of my moisturizing face cream and my serum. Then I tone my face as well. So these are the creams I use for, or you can use for, this winter season. And so when you're using this particular face cream, you can also use it with, if you have a good serum, it mustn't necessarily be vitamin C serum. If you also have a facial serum, there is a moisturizing face serum, which is not vitamin C, it could be vitamin B, or a good serum that helps to moisturize your skin. You can use it along with this to boost the high moisturizing effect. It gives it this silky feeling on your face. You're gonna love your face, and it's gonna smoothen out your face. This particular face cream is really good, and I recommend it 100%. If you're having a dry skin, I wouldn't advise you use it every day. You should use it with a highly moisturizing face cream. Probably you use this at night, and in the daytime you can use a very good moisturizing cream. That's if you want to be using this one every day. But if you don't want to use it every day, you could be using it like 3 times in a week, and the remaining weeks you can use your face moisturizing cream to just keep your face silky, nice, smooth, and very fresh. And it also helps in anti-aging, like smoothing out your face of wrinkle. That is if you use this consistently. So this cream is a go-through cream for me all the time. I don't have regrets. If you want to try it, like I always say, check it out online, order it. If you don't get it in a walk-in store, you can get it in a skincare store, in big cosmetic stores in your location. But if it is not, just get it online. And it also has the face cleanser. It has the toner. You can use it along with the face cleanser. That's the facial wash. I made a review about this particular product with the facial wash. So if you've not seen that video, I'll leave the link down below so you can watch how good and how effective this face wash and the cleanser is together. Use it both together, and then probably in the mornings you use your moisturizing face cream. Guys, you're going to love your skin. Your skin will be giving what it's supposed to give. When you don't need to spend a lot of money on your face, you don't need to spend a lot of money on your body. Even though skincare products now are really pricey in the market or in the out there, but there are very affordable face creams or skincare products you can use, or you will use, and you will love your skin. This is one of them. It's not that pricey, but then it will give you what you want, smoothing out your skin, smoothing out black spots, smoothing out pimples, and because of the vitamin C in it, it dries out your pimples.
A nice spotless skin, a glowing skin, a beautiful skin. And I'll tell you how you would use it to get even skin tone is the CARO face cream. Like we're talking about how to glow up our skin this Christmas period. You see the CARO face cream, it is here. For some reason, I don't know, it seems this cream is becoming really scarce. This was my cream for the last 3-4 years. If you scroll through my videos, you would see a review I made about this CARO face cream. CARO face cream works in brightening your skin. Number one, Also clear dark spot. It's a black spot corrector. So while it's clearing up your dark spot, it's also brightening your skin. It's also making your skin look clean and clear. Now, if you want to get the best result of this carotone, what you would do is use it alongside your face serum. If you want to give it that blinding effect, you want to give your skin that extreme glowing effect and give your haters that blinding effect that they deserve. To use glasses and be looking at you from one side like, hey, who's this hot babe? Eh? Use it alongside your face serum. Don't pour it into your face. Don't pour the face serum into the cream. Use the vitamin C face serum on your face, then layer the carotone face cream after using your serum. Okay, darlings, that is all I have to tell you. Come back and tell me what it was like and give me your review if you try this. I'll see you in my next video. Bye bye.